Nexat next-generation agriculture technology is one of the pioneering companies shaping the future of global agricultural mechanization. Founded in Germany, Nexat has gained worldwide recognition for developing a completely new concept of large-scale agricultural production. Instead of simply improving traditional tractors or harvesters, Nexat has created an integrated agricultural machinery ecosystem where a single vehicle platform can perform multiple tasks, such as soil cultivation, seeding, fertilizing, spraying, and harvesting by simply changing the working modules. This revolutionary approach has led many experts to consider Nexat one of the most important advancements in agriculture since the invention of the modern tractor. The key feature of Nexat lies in its massive machine frame design, with a working width reaching several dozen meters, allowing it to significantly reduce the number of passes across the field. This not only saves fuel and lowers operating costs, but also minimizes soil compaction, one of the major problems affecting crop productivity on modern farms. Its intelligent control system, precision positioning technology, and high level of automation enable Nexat to meet the strict requirements of agriculture. Today, Nexat is regarded as a symbol of innovation in the global agricultural machinery industry. With the vision of creating more efficient, sustainable, and productive farming systems, the company is opening a new chapter for world agriculture, where advanced technology becomes the driving force behind the development of farms in the 21st century. For more than a century, modern agriculture has operated on a familiar principle. Every task requires a different machine. Farmers have had to own or rent an entire fleet of equipment, including tractors, seeders, sprayers, fertilizer spreaders, and combine harvesters. This means high investment costs, complicated management, and less than optimal operational efficiency. But Nexat decided to completely change this way of thinking. Instead of simply developing a more powerful tractor or a more advanced harvester, Nexat created an entirely new mechanization platform. A single machine frame can perform every major field operation, from soil preparation, seeding, fertilizing, and crop protection to harvesting. The key lies in its intelligent modular system. Each task is carried out by a specialized module that can be quickly removed, replaced, and adapted according to production requirements. What is truly remarkable is that the entire module conversion process takes only around 10 minutes and can be completed by a single operator. This significantly reduces downtime, increases machine utilization, and optimizes resources for large-scale farming operations. Nexat is not simply manufacturing agricultural machinery. It is building a completely new mechanized ecosystem, where a single platform has the potential to replace an entire fleet of traditional machines. This bold vision is helping shape the future of global agriculture. One of the most impressive technologies on Nexat is not its enormous size or versatile modules, but its advanced diesel-electric drivetrain developed specifically for this platform. While most agricultural machines today still rely on traditional mechanical transmissions to transfer power from the engine to the wheels, Nexat takes a completely different approach. The machine is equipped with two high-performance Liebherr diesel engines, each producing around 550 horsepower, creating a combined output of nearly 1,100 horsepower. However, instead of transferring power directly through a complex gearbox system, the energy is converted into electricity to power electric motors that drive the wheels or tracks. This principle is similar to the technology used in many modern locomotives and heavy industrial vehicles around the world. Thanks to this system, power can be distributed precisely to each wheel according to real working conditions. One of the breakthrough features that makes Nexat completely different from traditional agricultural machines is its wide-span design. A super-wide machine frame. For decades, most tractors and harvesters have operated on the same basic principle, moving directly across the field surface to carry out farming operations. However, this approach creates a major problem. Every time the wheels pass over the field, the soil becomes more compacted, reducing its structure, limiting root development, and affecting long-term crop productivity. Nexat has chosen a completely different approach. Instead of driving directly through the crop area, the machine is built with a massive horizontal frame that extends across the entire cultivated field. Crops grow underneath the machine body, while the wheels or tracks only travel along fixed lanes on both sides of the field. As a result, most of the productive soil area is no longer compressed by heavy machinery during each growing season. This design creates the foundation for controlled traffic farming, a farming system where machine movement is precisely managed. It is considered one of the most advanced agricultural trends in the world today, helping protect soil structure, improve water retention, and increase the efficiency of nutrient use. With this completely new design philosophy, nexat is not simply building a larger machine, it is transforming the way machinery interacts with the land, making future farms more sustainable, productive, and efficient than ever before. So what makes nexat considered by many experts as one of the greatest revolutions in agricultural mechanization of the 21st century? First, nexat addresses a problem that has existed for decades: soil compaction. In traditional farming systems, tractors, sprayers, fertilizer spreaders, and harvesters repeatedly travel across the field. As a result, between 60% and 80% of the cultivated area may be driven over multiple times each year. This causes the soil to become heavily compacted, reducing its structure and directly affecting the ability of crop roots to develop. Thanks to its wide-span design combined with controlled traffic farming technology, nexat reduces the area affected by wheel traffic to less than 5%. This allows the soil to maintain its natural structure, improves water retention, reduces erosion, and creates better conditions for stronger root growth. In the long term, this becomes a key factor in increasing productivity and preserving soil fertility. Nexat does not only change the way soil is protected, it also completely transforms the organization of agricultural production. If every farming operation previously required a separate machine, now a single platform can handle the entire production process. This transformation can be compared to the way smartphones replaced cameras, music players, GPS devices, and voice recorders by combining multiple tools into one device. In addition, nexat was developed with a digital-first approach from the beginning. The system integrates high-precision RTK guidance, real-time field data management, and autonomous operating capabilities. Instead of adding technology after completing the mechanical design like many existing machines, nexat treats automation as the core foundation of the entire system. With a working width ranging from 14 to 70 meters depending on the selected module, combined with the ability to integrate all farming operations on a single platform, nexat can increase operational efficiency by up to around 50%. This is not simply a new agricultural machine, but an entirely new approach to the agriculture of the future. What makes nexat truly special is that it was not created to become a better combine harvester. Instead, it was designed to completely transform the way a modern farm operates. Imagine that instead of owning separate tractors, seeders, sprayers, fertilizer spreaders, and harvesters, farmers only need a single platform. Whenever a specific task is required, the operator simply replaces the appropriate specialized module. The entire conversion process takes only around 10 minutes and can be completed by one person. At the heart of the system is a massive machine frame powered by two Liebherr engines, producing a combined output of approximately 1,100 horsepower. Energy is delivered to the wheels through an advanced diesel-electric drivetrain, using technology similar to that found in many high-end locomotives. This allows nexat to operate efficiently across fields covering thousands of hectares. When equipped with the Nexco harvesting module, nexat becomes one of the highest capacity harvesting systems in the world today. Its cutting header reaches up to 15 meters wide, while the grain tank has a capacity of around 32,000 liters, significantly larger than many flagship combine harvesters from manufacturers such as John Deere, New Holland, or Case IH. However, the real breakthrough lies in its wide-span design. Instead of driving through the crop area like traditional machines, nexat moves along fixed traffic lanes on both sides of the field. This reduces the area affected by wheel compaction to below 5%, while in conventional farming systems, this figure can reach 60% to 80%. According to the manufacturer, reducing soil compaction combined with the ability to integrate the entire production process on a single platform, can improve operational efficiency by up to around 50%. At the same time, the system is designed to support advanced technologies such as RTK guidance, field data management, and future automation. Of course, advanced technology always comes with a massive cost. A complete nexat system is currently estimated by industry experts to range from around 3 million to more than 5 million US dollars, equivalent to tens or even over 100 billion Vietnamese dong. Nevertheless, considering its scale, power, and technological vision, nexat is not simply an agricultural machine. It represents an attempt to redefine how humans farm on large-scale fields, and could become one of the most important turning points in agriculture during the 21st century. Although nexat is considered one of the greatest breakthroughs in modern agricultural mechanization, it is not a solution suitable for every farm. The first major barrier is the investment cost. With its enormous scale and highly advanced integrated technology, a nexat system can cost millions of US dollars, placing it far beyond the investment capacity of most farmers around the world. In addition, this platform is designed primarily for very large-scale farming operations, often covering thousands of hectares or more. In regions where farmland is fragmented or field sizes are small, the advantages of nexat are difficult to fully maximize. The system also requires suitable infrastructure, including transportation routes, maintenance facilities, and storage areas for such a large machine. Operating nexat requires a highly skilled technical team capable of managing complex electronic systems, automation technologies, and digital data platforms. Therefore, nexat is not a solution for everyone. However, it is certainly a remarkable model for the future of large-scale agriculture, a vision of how advanced technology may reshape farming in the decades to come. Will nexat truly become the future of global agriculture? The answer is still ahead of us. However, if this project achieves the success expected by its developers, its impact could be compared to some of the greatest revolutions in the history of modern agriculture. At the beginning of the 20th century, tractors replaced the power of horses and livestock, opening the era of agricultural mechanization. Several decades later, combine harvesters replaced much of the manual harvesting labor, increasing productivity to levels never seen before. And today, nexat is aiming to create the next major transformation. What makes nexat unique is that it is not simply trying to build larger or more powerful machines. Instead, it is changing the way an entire farm operates. In the nexat vision, every stage of production, from soil preparation, planting, and crop care to harvesting, is connected through a unified platform, functioning as a single intelligent ecosystem. If this model is widely adopted, the future of large-scale farming could look completely different from what we see today. This is why many experts consider nexat one of the projects with the potential to shape global agriculture for decades to come. What do you think? Is nexat truly the future of agriculture, or is it simply an overly ambitious idea? Leave your thoughts in the comments and join the discussion. And if you enjoy exploring giant machines and the most advanced agricultural technologies in the world, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos.